Hey, what's up guys, Fred right here. In today's episode we're going to be restoring my headlights yet again, but this time using a different product, and I'll show you guys what it is right now. So the product we'll be using in today's video, I bought this from AutoZone for $24. That's the Meguiars 2-step headlight restoration kit, guaranteed for 1 year restored lights. And what comes with it is the cleaning solution. It's a little windy today here in Florida, and a headlight coating and 2 pads, cleaning pads. So we're gonna try to see and do the test of time and review to see if it does last the whole year. And no, I am not being sponsored or paid to use this product. So we got the cleaning solution right here. We're gonna skip the masking tape process because I forgot to buy some. So yeah, this is DIY like I was saying. So we're gonna use this pad and put some quarter-size pea right here, shake it very well. We're going to use horizontal motions back and forth, and we'll see how the first one does. There you go, that looks like about a quarter right there. So let's continue.
You up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Anything done, when you come you. Anything done, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom and boom, we get all right. Anything done,
Wipe it off just to see how it's looking. We're gonna do a second coat of going back and forth.
My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life anything done. If I could take you up in ocean, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Shaboom and boom, we get all life could be a dream. Anything done, planned you come true. Anything done, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Alright guys, so there you have it. We pretty much took out all the white stuff. There are some stuff right there, but hey, it's not gonna look 100% perfect. It is just a temporary solution. This is the one before we buff it or anything like that. There it is. And as you can see, the difference is actually, oh wow, you can actually see the difference on instructions. Said that we gotta use a damp cloth to properly clean it off, you know. Wipe clean with damp cloth and then dry completely before step 2. So we're just gonna normal microfiber, and we're just gonna clean all the headlight just to take off all the frost off of it. As you can see, it got super clear. Wow, it really did get super clear. Look at that. That's the best it's looked in years, actually. Just gotta clean this up, continue wiping it. There you go. You just wipe all around it because, you know, why not? And now we're gonna use a dry cloth and just make sure to dry it all off. Try to get it under the grooves, just in case, you know, you never know. Headlight coating, and we're just gonna spray it down medium pass, so you know, not too wet, not too far or anything like that. Just perfectly in the middle. And we're gonna do a medium coat, and then we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and we're gonna do a second coat where we just overlap everything and seal it off. We'll be using rubbing alcohol to clean the overspray. Ultimately, I don't really care much of the overspray because it gave it a shine at the end of the day, the front bumper. But just for the video purposes and instructions purposes, we're gonna put some rubbing alcohol and clean off the overspray. And there we go. That's a second coat right there. Now we spray this with alcohol. There you go. Alright, so moment of truth. At the end of the day, is the Meguiars kit worth the investment, worth the $24? And I'd say it is. Just look how shiny that is. Look at those headlights. And we do it before and after of how they looked. They do not look anything like this. Here's a picture right now, and just look at it now. The picture right now, how it used to look, or earlier in the video, and look at the bright shine under it. Look at that. I also managed to do the fog lights. As you can see, this one right here is super shiny here. And here's our product. So yeah, definitely worth the investment for just once a year, even though it's once a year. But I did end up using both pads on each side just to, you know, have them even. But I still have more than half of the bottle left and half of the headlight coating left. And I did 2 coats of everything. 2 coats of the solution and then 2 coats of the headlight coating. And just look at that, it looks beautiful. It definitely restored my vehicle. And I used some alcohol to clean the overspray, like I said. And it looks amazing.